Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, I'm going to reveal to you how to make money with Shrinkme.io. So I'm going to make a review of Shrinkme.io. So this is going to be a review video for Shrinkme.io. So as you can tell, so many people are sharing about these things, and I think I have some idea how to actually accelerate the process of making money with Shrinkme.io if you're interested. Okay, so be sure to, by the way, before we start, I just want to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So in this channel, I talk a lot about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and online marketing in general. And consider subscribing and do smash the like button down below as well if you could find some value in this video. And also, if you want to learn more in making money online, be sure to click the first link in my description in order to learn how to make money online. Okay, so let's dive right into our content. So this is Shrinkme.io, and what it does is you can actually making money just by sharing links throughout the internet. Okay, so let's take a look at this is highest paying URL shortener. Join now and earn up to 220 per 10,000 views. And of course, Shrinkme.io is actually a shortened URL, just like Bitly and Tiny URL, but both websites not going to pay you. But in Shrinkme.io, what you need to do is just simply shorten your link here, and then whenever people click on your link, and of course there are certain amounts of views that you need to achieve in order to get paid. Okay, so as simple as that. What you need to do, literally sharing your link throughout the internet, and then you can make some supplemental income online. So how to start? It only requires 3 steps, which is create an account, shorten your link here, and then start to earn money. So I'm going to reveal to you everything what you need to do in order to making money with Shrinkme.io, and be sure to stick until the end of this video. Okay, so blah blah blah, and this is all the details you can read on your own, and just take a look at the total clicks that this website have been received, 62 millions. This is the registered user 1.2. okay, so you can read everything out. So what you need to do is just get signed up. It is 100% free. There's no investment needed whatsoever, and then you're going to be able to start to making money with this website. Okay, so let's take a look at the payout rates. So the payout rates, depending on the country, would be vary. So you're going to get the most payout rate, which is $22 if most of the viewers or the traffic from Greenland. Okay, so this is the most highest, and then 16 from Ireland, and $7 from Belgium, and $7 from United States. Okay, so what you need to do is just take a look at all this country, or this is the least amount of money that you're going to get paid, which is the traffic from Turkey. Okay, so just take a look at the payment proof, whether or not this is a legit company. So this is all the list that people are getting paid. So this one is yesterday, so this list is actually the latest list. So $5, $6, $5, $10, and etc, etc. All right, so you're not going to be able to make a lot of money, but at least you can start to making some supplemental income with this stuff. Right, by the way, it is very easy. I'm going to walk you through the entire process, how to do it right. Okay, so just want to brief you out how everything's work. Right, so this is actually Shrinkme.io. okay, Shrinkme.io. So what you need to do is when you drive traffic to any particular website or any particular link, for example, like this is your landing page that you want to drive your traffic to. So first of all, of course, you're going to shrink your URL here, right? So once you shrink on your URL, your traffic is not going to redirect automatically to the page that you want to drive them to, but instead they're going to land on one particular ad first. Okay, one page ad. So this is when the Shrinkme.io is going to making money from the advertiser. So all the money is actually coming from the advertiser, right? So this is advertiser that they are going to pay Shrinkme to advertise on this particular ad page. Okay, so once you click your Shrinkme.io link, then your visitor is going to click, and then they're going to land over to this first page first, instead of directly to land to the page that you are desire. So it contains couple of ads. So when your visitors click, there is clickable button over here on the top or on the bottom, if I'm not mistaken. So when your visitor click the skip ad, then only then they're going to land over to the page that you want to drive them to. So I hope it makes sense to you. That is how everything's work. that is how you're going to get paid. Okay, so for example, like the advertiser, if the advertiser were paying Shrinkme like $1, for example, so maybe Shrinkme, I'm not sure what is the percentage of the separation is, but maybe Shrinkme is going to pay you some portion of that money. So that is when you're going to get paid whenever you be able to drive 1,000 views on your on the Shrinkme link that you shorten from. Okay, so I hope it makes sense to you. That is how everything works. So now, how you're going to be able to make money with Shrinkme? There are two ways on how to make money. Okay, so the first is whenever you want to share something on your social media handle, regardless of whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, be sure to go to shrinkme.io first. Okay, so instead of just copy the link, for example, if you will find like funny videos on YouTube and you want to share that funny videos on YouTube on your social handle, for example, like Facebook, right? So instead of go to the YouTube and then paste it directly on your social media account, what you need to do instead is you need to go to shrinkme.io first and then simply paste the link over here and then get the shrink link and paste it back on your Facebook account. And that is when people click on the link, you're going to start to accumulate the views until you receive 1,000 views. Then you're going to get paid with Shrinkme.io. That is number one, okay, which is share the link, like whatever link that you want to share on your social media. Okay, so number two is the more heavy ways, which is I'm going to share with you as well, which is by doing affiliate marketing. All right, so instead of just share some simple stuff, what you need to do is doing the affiliate marketing. So number one, with affiliate marketing, you're going to be able to make money with Shrinkme.io because every time people click and view your link, you're going to get paid. Okay, and number two, you're also going to get paid with affiliate marketing. And in this method, I'm going to share with you clickbank.com, right? So head off to clickbank.com, you're going to be able to see this page. Okay, so this is, by the way, the largest marketplace for affiliate in the world. So what you need to do is just click sign up for a free account. It is 100% free. There's no investment needed whatsoever. So once you get signed up and you click on the marketplace, you're going to be able to land over to this website. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to click on the art and entertainment. This is all the categories available. You can choose whatever categories that you are interested in. So what you need to do is just pick any product, and for example, like I'm going to promote this product. By the way, this is the commission that you're going to get paid. And the best part about clickbank.com, most of the product you're going to be able to make 75% out of for the commission. Okay, for example, if the product costs people $100, you're going to get paid $75 whenever people purchase from your affiliate link. So that is very, very powerful, very awesome, and very cool, because what you literally need to do is driving as much traffic as possible. So I also going to walk you through how you're going to get tons of traffic for your affiliate link and for your Shrinkme.io link as well. All right, so what you need to do is simply click promote if you want to promote that product, and then generate hope links. So click on this one to copy the link. Then what you need to do is you can also paste the link over here simply by pasting like that. And whenever people click on your link, you're going to get paid. But instead of doing that, what I highly recommend you to do is go to Shrinkme.io first and paste your link over here and then click enter. Okay, so this is the link from Shrinkme.io, as you can see here. So instead of paste the ugly URL, right? Because as you can see here, let me show you again. This is your a very long ugly URL. So instead of go paste your ugly long URL, what you can do instead is go to Shrinkme.io and shorten your link first. So I'm going to click copy, and then you can go to either your social handle if you want, whether it is Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. You can do that. Okay, so when people click, and then they're going to land over to this site, and whenever they purchase, you're going to get a commission. And also whenever they click on your Shrinkme.io link, you're also going to accumulate all the links. So once you receive 1,000 views, you're going to get paid some percentage or some bucks from the Shrinkme.io, also depending on where the viewers and where your traffic coming from. Okay, So the best way on how to get tons of traffic is actually by using Hercules.com. Okay, so now you have your link from Shrinkme. So what I want to reveal to you here is the free ways and the best ways on how to get tons of clicks, tons of traffic to your Shrinkme link, and then for your affiliate offer as well. So just head over to Hercules.com. This is 100% free, and what it does is you can actually promote to to 1000 daily random members, right? So this particular site has almost 168,000 members, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see it if I can find it here. I think it is on the home of this site. So if I'm not mistaken, it has almost 170,000 of members. So every time you promote, you're going to be able to send out to 1000 random members. Okay, so that is the free account. Also they have the paid account as well, which is just cost you $2.49. But okay, this is the total members. All right, 168,000 of members. Okay, so I don't recommend you to go for the paid version first, but instead go with the free version first, and then when you get some sales, then you can reinvest it back for the paid version. And of course, with the paid version, you're going to be able to send to 168,000 members every day. Okay, but with the free version, the maximum is only 1000 members. All right, so what you need to do is we're going to promote, like for example, like this product. So what you need to do is just type in like are you interested to learn the piano? Okay, so I'm going to click here, and then this is where you're going to need to paste your Shrinkme link, and then this is the body copy. So just type in something like this: cover how easy to start to play a piano and play your favorite song. Song. Okay, so maybe you can paste it again, click here. All right, so what it does is Hercules.com is going to submit this ad. Once you hit submit ad, they're going to promote this ad copy, which is email. They're going to send out to 1000 email lists to all the members available here. All right, so you're going to get a lot of traffic from this particular method, and a lot of click as well. So perhaps some of the traffic is going to buy your affiliate link, and you're going to get make money. And of course, you're also going to make money with Shrinkme.io as well once you reach your first 1000 views. Okay, so the key here, I just want to give you some hack, right? This is 100% free, and what you need to do is with the free account, as you can tell, the maximum amount of members that you can be sent is only 1000. So what you can do instead, if you want to increase your daily limits, is just simply sign up with a new account, with a new Gmail account or new email address, right? So that you can have more ads sending out. And if you have 10 accounts, you literally can send out 10,000 email every single day. So that is the hack. Okay, so guys, that's it. That's pretty much it, how to make money with Shrinkme.io. So the question is, can you make money with Shrinkme.io? And of course, as you can see, this is all the payment proof. Of course, you can make money with Shrinkme.io. And but if you ask me, can you actually make a lot of money with Shrinkme.io? I don't think so, because as you can see, the most pays, or the most amount of money that you're going to be generating is only $22 for every 1000 views, guys. So that is insane amount of views, considering if you are making money with affiliate marketing, 1000 view could probably making you a couple of sales already, maybe 10 to 12 sales, right, approximately. And if one sale can give you $20 of commission, you could probably making $200 and above already, right? So that is why I said, like, if you want to make money with Shrinkme, of course you can make money, but it is very, very hard to make a lot of money, right? And of course, if you want to learn the real ways on how to make money online, click the first link in my description below. Okay, so guys, that's all. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you get some value throughout my sharing in this video. And be sure to click the smash the like button if you got some value, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.